We're just digging
Hi for 4th of July. Yay.
We're family.
Oh, make it 8 because of Jenalyn too. Huh?
Oh, hi. No, nothing. It's just for the vlogs. Whee!
Oh, counter.
Go.
You can't counter it.
Go.
You do not have the
This side.
last card.
Go down.
Counter it. You do not have the closing card. I have the counter card. What is that?
Kalissa. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
I said bacon.
Okay, so these are the fireworks that I saw at the Rose Bowl. From far away, well, it was from the Pavillion in Pasadena, California. I was with family and I'm doing a voiceover for the fireworks because they played music and there was a lot of talking, so you can't really hear anything. So I just decided to talk for this video, and the video is not that good because I did it from my iPod and we were far away from the Rose Bowl. Well, not really that far, but we didn't have like the best view, but you can see all the fireworks from where I was. And plus I'm short, so I couldn't really reach all the fireworks. So the fireworks that I did get on video are the ones that were super high, and as you see, they are beautiful. So happy 4th of July to everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed your 4th of July. This is just me gonna talk for the videos of the fireworks, which is until the end of this video. So I can say right now, just don't forget to subscribe, comment what you did for 4th of July, and don't forget to like. So thank you for watching what I did with my family. I didn't really film any food that much besides the pies because there was not that much. Well, there was a lot of food, but there was not that much to take a picture of because I came late to the family party. And yeah, in this video there's different fireworks besides these different ones. I also have the ones that have like the smiley face later on and the little planets. Yeah, it's just different colors to match the theme all throughout the thing. So maybe I'll play different songs right now because I don't know what else to talk about. So yeah, here's songs now. When it stops, it stops.
Do it over there. Let's just go out on the street. Yeah.
It's the grass, Dad.
We'll go in the other street.
Open the. Get the key.
Everyone's being careful anyway.
Just put it on the front street.
Where?
Like, just go in front of the street.
sidewalk?
Yeah, on the sidewalk.
Okay, open. Get the key for the gate then.
Go ahead.
Wait, adding. Oh, wait.
It's just a video right now. Got another Starbucks trade thing that I had. So let's try opening it right now. Hope I'm not breaking anything. Oh, she put in little cute envelopes. I did not think of doing this. Let's see. There's this Florida one right here. And then I believe this is NYC. Yay!